Hi folks, back to basics here with Lydia. So I have this particular drain in my basement that feeds into my sewer line. And as you can see, I have a pipe coming from my hot water heater that would drain directly in there. And then also a little pipe from my humidifier that's on my heater. Anyway, maybe you guys have something like this in your basement, or you have it upstairs that's close to your laundry room, you know, to catch the water from a washing machine or something like that. And of course, it's not a whole lot of fun if you end up having water percolate out of here and you get a whole lot of water on the surface and you have to deal with that. I spoke with my plumber and he had a terrific idea about installing a water alarm. So today I'm going to show you how simple it is to install a water alarm and hopefully have a little bit more peace of mind. I have purchased the Watchdog water alarm. This is for your sump pump or, you know, for this kind of a drain situation. And as you can see on the bottom, I have pulled out the sensors, and this has a cord that's maybe 6 foot long, and you can splice in a 100-foot cord apparently if you need to, or you can put it directly on the floor or under a sink or wherever you might be having trouble or that you have a concern. The other really cool thing is on the side here is a slot, and this is where you then put in a 9-volt battery. So I am going to just simply tuck this little sensor piece under the pipe, and I'm not going to screw it in. You can, of course, screw it in if you need to. And then because I want it off the ground, I'm going to hang it on a concrete wall. The other thing that I'm going to put on here, just so that I don't have to open it and try to figure out every time when my battery's going to expire, I've put on here the battery expiration date that's written on the battery, and then the installed date so that I know. And I have a concrete wall here, and I have a little hook that's from the concrete wall, and I'm simply going to hook it on there. It's now out of the water, so the battery doesn't get wet. And as you can see, the sensor is down here. And now, if I have any kind of water percolate up in here that comes up a couple of inches, I'm going to hear an alarm and I'm going to know about it. And this is what I'm getting and installing here, the Watchdog water alarm. And it is great all over the place here. Sinks, laundry rooms, water heaters, air conditioning, drain tubes, and sump pumps. And here it shows you some suggested areas and with the water sensor extension. So this was a super simple install. Anybody can do this. It's not that expensive to buy this and a brand new battery. You're looking at maybe $20, $25 total, if that. And, you know, this might give you a little peace of mind. So I hope you found this interesting, and hope you have a great day.